This meditation will have your specific person whipped and wrapped around your finger. Please be careful. Results may come faster than you think. Now let's begin. They are always asking for my permission. They seek my validation. They want to breathe the same air as I do, drink the same water as I drink, and walk on the same side of the road as me. They support me now and forever. All their desires right now is me. All they do is grovel for my attention all the time. They are liking and loving all my pics and posts on socials now. They are always sending me long, sappy messages to beg for my attention. They are always planning to make me theirs because my presence is such an undeniably wanted gift for them. They can watch me for hours and hours, even in the rain or under the sun. They have absolutely and undeniably fallen for me. They are always ditching planned hangouts with their friends because they are so whipped by me. They are always mentioning my name, even if it's not on the topic. They are so in love with me that they do anything for me. Whenever I ask them to do something, they do it in a heartbeat. They are excessively devoted to me. They rate me a 10 out of 10 always. Thoughts of me are always taking over their mind. I am their love interest. They are always admiring me from afar, like I am a piece of artwork. They unquestionably fell for me first. I make everything more memorable in their life. Every day they wake up, they check my socials to make sure they are not missing anything. Their reward in life is being with me. Loving me is like breathing for them, so utterly necessary to survive. I earn their love just by existing. They literally offer me their heart on a plate. They are undoubtedly wrapped around my finger now and forever. They are living their best life by my side. I am the object of their pure obsession. The stars are aligning for us to be together now and forever. They were made for loving me now and forever. Type, the stars are aligning for us to be together now and forever to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.